Assalamu alaikum. Today is our social studies class. Today we are going to start our chapter 17, the ancient invaders, the Aryans. About 1500 BC, a new race of people came into the northwest of the subcontinent and they were called Aryans. Now you can think, you can imagine what were Aryans, what kind of people they were. So you can clearly see in the pictures the people sitting around fire and they are worshipping. These were actually the Aryans. Aryans, there are a few of the characteristics that we have jumbled up. First of all, Aryans were actually a wandering tribe. They didn't have a specific place, so they came here from Central Asia. They were really very fierce. They killed Dravidians who were original inhabitants of India. North Indians are Aryans and South Indians are Dravidians. When Aryan came, they pushed Dravidians to the south and themselves settled in the north. Aryans are ancestors of the modern Hindus. This is the route showing you, the red arrow is showing you how Aryans came into the subcontinent. Actually, they used weapons made of bronze and then iron. They fought from chariots and soon defeated the already weakened and peaceful people of the Indus Empire. The next picture is showing you the Dravidians. Caste system in Aryans. Aryans have a specific kind of caste system. They divided their people into four groups or castes based on their occupation. At the top were the Brahmins, who were the priests. The next caste include kings, soldiers, and leaders. These were Kshatriyas. Below them were the craftsmen, officials, merchants, and farmers. They were known as Vishyas. Still lower were the ordinary workers, servants, laborers, and they were called Shudras. But below the four castes were the outcasts, original people who were not Aryans. Even the lowest caste, the Shudras, treated the outcast as slaves. This is the caste system. This is how they divided people among them. Religion. Their religion is really important to discuss. At first, they worshipped the signs of nature such as sun, moon, river, fire, and earth. Then slowly changed their name. Uh, they named their gods such as Indra, Vishnu, Shiva, Krishna, and many more. Holy book and languages. We know about the early Aryan times from a collection of prayer called Vedas, which date back 3000 years and is still basis of the Hindu religion. They spoke Sanskrit. Aryans used to speak the language Sanskrit. Then we have another great nation, the Persians. Persia became a warlike nation in the 6th century BC. They captured a huge empire which stretched from Greece and Egypt in the west to the northwestern India. They conquered the Gandhara kingdom and made their capital in the subcontinent and Taxila, which later became great center of art and learning. This is how the Persian Empire started and how it flourished. This is the picture is showing you some of the glimpses of Persian Empire. Then we have Greeks. In the west, another new empire was building up in the northern Greece. Alexander the Great. Alexander became king of Macedon, when his father Philip was murdered in 336 BC. He was only 20 years old. Alexander was a really brilliant general and very powerful man. When Alexander died 13 years later, he had conquered all of the Persian Empire from Egypt to what is now Pakistan. He defeated Porus, the king of Punjab. Porus was a really undefeatable man, but was captured and taken to Alexander, who so admired the king's bravery that he released him and returned his kingdom. This is how the Porus has released himself uh, from Alexander. Now Alexander was really wanted to march eastward to what was believed to be the edge of the world. His soldiers, however, thousands of kilometers from their homes in the Greece, refused to obey him. For the first time, Alexander was forced to go back to Persia, half of his army crossing the terrible Makran desert and the other half going by sea. Back in Persia, Alexander began to make fresh plans, but he fell sick and died at the age of 33. This was the end of Persian Empire and the very great successful leader Alexander. This is the end of our chapter 17. Take care. Allah Hafiz.